When you hear the word lavender, you might immediately think of a lighter shade of purple. But there's more to this herb than its color. People also associate lavender with two specific traits, its fragrance and its color. But you may not know that the lavender flower and the oil derived from it have long histories in herbal medicine. Hey everyone, I'm Ashley, and welcome to Nature-Based Medicines. Today I'm going to share a video about lavender, benefits and uses. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any future videos about nature-based medicines. The word lavender comes from the Latin root lavare, which literally means to wash. The earliest recorded use of lavender dates back to ancient Egypt. There, lavender oil played a role in the mummification process. In later times, lavender became a bath additive in several regions, including ancient Persia, Greece, and Rome. These cultures believed that lavender helped purify the body and mind. Watch and learn more about the possible health benefits of lavender, as well as other uses and potential risks that come with using the herb. What exactly is lavender? Lavender is a flowering plant in the mint family that's easily identified by its sweet floral scent. It's believed to be native to the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and India, with a history dating as far back as 2,500 years. In ancient times, lavender was used as a holy herb. Additionally, it was often used to freshen up and give a light scent to a variety of personal items, such as clothes and hair. What are possible health benefits of lavender? Today, lavender is more than just a fragrant plant. As it turns out, this herb is also commonly used for medicinal and therapeutic benefits. So if you're dealing with a few medical issues of your own, and you don't want to risk the unpleasant side effects of many over-the-counter and prescription medicines, here's a look at the potential health perks of using lavender. 1. May help improve sleep well. Insomnia is a nagging problem that keeps you tossing and turning throughout the night. Cutting out caffeine and getting more exercise might help induce sleep. But sometimes these efforts and other remedies don't work. As a result, you end up a groggy mess in the daytime. If you're willing to try anything for a restful night's sleep, a 2017 study of 60 participants found lavender essential oil to be an effective remedy in improving the sleep quality of intensive care unit (ICU) patients who had difficulty sleeping. So if you've tried other sleep remedies to no avail, place a few drops of lavender essential oil on your pillow before going to sleep tonight. Just be sure not to ingest it, or any other essential oil, for that matter, as doing so may pose health risks. 2. Could help treat skin blemishes. A variety of essential oils are also excellent for dermatology use, including lavender. In fact, if you have acne, eczema, or skin inflammation, applying lavender oil to affected areas may play a role in treating blemishes and easing inflammation, according to a 2017 paper, but more rigorous clinical trials are needed. Applying essential oil directly on the skin can cause irritation, so it is best to dilute them with water or a carrier oil. The antioxidant activity of lavender may also contribute to wound healing. Just be sure to check with your dermatologist before adding lavender to your skincare regimen to ensure it won't interact with any of the medication you're currently taking. 3. May offer a natural remedy for pain. Some people reach for over-the-counter pain relievers when dealing with acute or chronic pain. And depending on the severity of pain, you might seek a prescription from your doctor. Before going the traditional route to help ease pain, try aromatherapy with 2% lavender essential oil that is diluted in water. A small 2014 study found lavender to be an effective remedy for postoperative pain. It can function as a pain reliever because the oil contains linalool acetate and linalool, anti-inflammatory components that are found in many essential oils. A 2021 study found that lavender oil harvested at the beginning of the plant's flowering period worked as a potent inhibitor of several kinds of inflammation-causing molecules. Meanwhile, other research suggests lavender aromatherapy may be used during labor to reduce the intensity, though not the duration of, pain. 4. Reduce blood pressure and heart rate. Chronic high blood pressure puts added stress on the heart, increasing the risk of health complications like stroke and heart attack. But a small 2017 study found that when 40 people inhaled diluted lavender essential oil after open-heart surgery, they reduced their blood pressure and heart rate, suggesting the oil had a positive effect on their vital signs. Yet the authors note more research is needed on this possible benefit, namely, a randomized controlled trial, the gold standard for medical research, with a larger sample size. 5. Could relieve asthma symptoms. Because of the anti-inflammatory effects of lavender, it may also improve bronchial asthma. A 2014 study on mice found that lavender essential oil had a positive impact on respiratory health, relieving allergic inflammation and mucus hyperplasia. Whether the same effect would be seen in humans remains unclear. 6. Lessens menopausal hot flashes. Hot flashes, or hot flushes, are a common menopause symptom that affects many women. It causes a sudden feeling of heat over the body, and it can make the face flushed and trigger perspiration. But lavender aromatherapy for 20 minutes twice a day may help reduce menopause flashing and improve quality of life, according to a 2016 study. 7. Potentially promotes hair growth. In yet another study, lavender essential oil applied to the backs of mice once a day, 5 times a week, for 4 weeks, resulted in an increase in the number of hair follicles and a thicker dermal layer. This leads researchers to believe that lavender could potentially be used as a hair growth promoting agent, though more research is needed. After all, you aren't a mouse. What is lavender's effect on stress levels? Everyday stresses can take a toll on your mental health. The greater your anxiety level, the higher the risk for headaches, depression, and low energy. The good news is that lavender may help lift the black cloud hanging over your head and give your mental outlook a much-needed pick-me-up. There's plenty of research that suggests lavender has positive effects on mood, stress, anxiety, and depression. For example, a 2018 randomized controlled trial found that premenstrual syndrome symptoms improved in women who inhaled lavender essential oil. They experienced lower anxiety, depression, and nervousness. Likewise, a 2017 randomized controlled trial found that reflexology massage treatments with lavender essential oil offered psychological benefits, decreasing both anxiety and depression. What are some of the different forms of lavender? Lavender is available in different forms. For example, lavender oil, nectar extracted from the flowering plant, is used to create a fragrant oil. Once diluted, the oil can be massaged into the skin, placed in a diffuser, or applied to a pillow or cotton swab and inhaled for aromatherapy. Lavender plant. This is a sweetly scented perennial plant. It adds color to a garden and gives off a sweet aroma. Lavender capsules or supplements. You can also purchase lavender as a supplement in capsule form. Take as directed for medicinal benefits. Just be sure to work with your healthcare provider to ensure the supplement won't have negative interactions with any medication you're taking. Also, know that supplements aren't regulated by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Lavender tea. This form of lavender can offer a calming beverage that helps ease anxiety and promotes sleep. You can purchase lavender tea, or make your own by steeping fresh lavender buds in boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Side effects that you should know before using lavender. Lavender hasn't been approved by the FDA, so it's important to be aware of potential health risks or side effects of using this herb. For example, you shouldn't drink lavender oil because it can be poisonous when ingested. Symptoms of poisoning can include difficulty breathing, vomiting, and diarrhea. If you prefer taking lavender orally, make sure you buy lavender supplements and take them as directed. Keep in mind that some people are sensitive to lavender and may experience an upset stomach, joint pain, or a headache after using. Although lavender is okay on the skin, there's the risk of an allergic reaction or skin irritation. Signs of a reaction include bumps, redness, or a burning sensation. Stop using if you have signs of sensitivity or a reaction. There's also evidence of repeated lavender use causing a rare condition called prepubertal gynecomastia, which is enlarged breast tissue in boys prior to puberty. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe, because more incredible content is on the way. If you found this video helpful for you, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any additional tips.